Like I said, I haven't seen anybody actually like do this on YouTube, actually show what they're doing, because like I'm actually in the trenches. I'm doing this. I'm not just like making videos, you know. Hey, what's going on? I'm Rashad. In today's video, I'll be talking about how I made over $2,100 on Maxbounty. In this video, I'll be fully transparent, showing the offer that I ran, my landing page, and even some of the keywords I used to make that money. So if you're someone that's struggling to make money on Maxbounty, this video is for you. So stay tuned. All right, $21.75 in 1 month on Maxbounty. This is Rashad Key. Thanks for tuning in. All right, so this is an outline of what I'll be talking about in the video. So first off, how much did I actually make? So I did run paid traffic with this offer, so I didn't have to spend to get that money. So I was showing you my profit margin. And second, which offer did I run on Maxbounty? Third, a quick overview of my funnel. Then my landing page, which keywords were the most profitable, and how to copy my funnel, and what I'm doing next. All right, how much did I actually make? So as I stated in the video, total revenue is $21.75. I did run paid traffic, so total ad spend on Bing was $12.16.43. Net profit was $958.57, which is pretty healthy. I want to, pat myself on the back there. Return on investment was 78.8%, and this is down here. This is a snapshot of my Bing ads and then my Maxbounty account. All right, so which offer was it? So it's this Just Answer Experts veterinarians. It pays $25 per lead, only accepts US traffic, and of course search is allowed. And at that time, I believe at the beginning of July, the network EPC was $129. If you don't know what EPC is, it's earnings per click. So everyone that's running on Maxbounty, every time that they send a visitor, they're earning $1.29 on average. That's for everyone. All right, quick overview of my funnel. So as I stated before, my traffic source, I'm doing paid ads on Bing, which is, they're also called Microsoft ads now, they've rebranded. So I'm targeting relevant keywords on Bing. I'm sending them to my landing page, and I don't have an email submit. Oh, look, I got a typo there. Don't look at my spelling. So I got a landing page, no email submit, and that's where I'm building interest, setting an expectation for what they would get on the next, once they click through. And then they'll land on the affiliate offer at that point, and that's where the money is made. And so I did use Clickmagick tracking. So let's just say if they typed in 24/7 veterinarian chat, and that click actually led to a sale, it would tell me like, hey, this is the keyword that led to that sale, and also this person was on a tablet and they were in Texas. Things like that you can use to monitor and optimize your campaign. All right, so here's my landing page. So this is just a quick snapshot. My headline is chat with a real vet within minutes. Vets are online 24/7. And on that offer on Maxbounty, it does have two options for the veterinarians. You got dog, you got cat. So I'll just show that really fast. We got the landing page up here. So this is what it looks like, chat with a real vet. And I got my two buttons here, chat with a dog vet and chat with a cat vet. And some more information here, some reviews, and I just kept it pretty generic. I didn't want to kind of overload it. Just get the people what they need and get them to the offer, right? So if you click this, it'll go to the offer, and I've already filled in something earlier. So they'll say, "Welcome. What's going on with your dog? My dog is farting too much." And you say, "I'll do what I can do. I'll do all I can to help. Can you tell a little bit more?" So basically, like, this bot will answer you, and eventually you get to a point where you'll sign up and you'll talk to a real vet. So that's pretty much how it works. All right. And which keywords are the most profitable? So, like I said, I haven't seen anybody actually do this on YouTube, actually show what they're doing, because I'm actually in the trenches. I'm doing this. I'm not just making videos, First one is online veterinarian. So granted, this one has the most traffic, and the clicks were relatively cheap, but the conversion rate wasn't as high. It was 9.4% compared to these other ones. So you got Ask a Vet, that's 11.3%, and I made $400 with that one. Ask a Vet online. Granted, this one is it's less traffic for it, but the sales conversion rate is higher at 22.8%. So they got 13 sales, and it was $325. and then veterinarian advice is another one, and that had a really high sales conversion rate of 31%. And as you can see, my conversion rate, my landing page, I think on average is probably around like 50%. For online vet is 31%. Now granted, online veterinarian is kind of a more generic keyword. So they could have like turtles or, you know, any other pet. So that could be, you know, why the landing page conversion rate is a little bit lower there. But on these other ones, Ask a Vet Online, it's much higher. It's getting closer to 60%. All right. And how to copy my funnel. So that website I just showed you, I made that with ClickFunnels. And the cool thing about ClickFunnels is I can give you guys a link, and once you click on that link, it'll clone my funnel, and you guys can just change your affiliate links, and then of course your tracking codes and everything, and use some of the keywords that I use in this video to make some money with it. All right, then lastly, what I'm going to be doing next. So right now, I'm focusing on building, I want to build up at least like 8 to 10 active campaigns that are running simultaneously, so I can maintain those and maybe get to 7,000 or 8,000 a month. And thank you guys for tuning in. This is Rashad Key, $1 Million Hustle. There you go.